So what we're going to show you how to do now is how to import an image, and we use IMG to do this. So if I go to images, my images folder now, I put a picture of a computer in there, and if I hover over it, you can see that that's a JPEG. When you download your images, make note of what file type they're in. Stick to JPEG or PNG, if I'm honest, okay, because they work better for web browsers. Now what I'm going to do here is I am now going to insert this, but it's not a quick case of drag and drop for web pages. What we're going to do is we are going to go back to our code, but this time to insert our image. So I'm going to do that here. All right, I'm going to delete this out. I'm going to use IMG, which means image. We're going to choose our source equals. Now, inside those brackets, you say where you're getting the file from. All right. I'm going to say the width equals, let's go for 500 pixels. Now, you can also set the height and play around with it, but please take note that I have put the file in the images folder, and it's because of that that I need to go images / look at the file name. It is case sensitive. I've got a lowercase c here and an uppercase I. So we're going to go computer.jpg. If I save that now, okay, and load that up, you can see now that my picture has loaded. So it's from the images folder and computer. So you need to make sure you give it a direction to the folder location and where you have put it. Otherwise, it will not work. So we use image, we use source, and we use width. And that is how you can add your image. So you're going to make a simple web page this lesson with a few images inside it. And I would like you to put some text on there just to get some practice.